Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn on or off Dreame Mova E20. To turn it on, either place it on the charging base and it will automatically turn on, or press and hold on the power button for 3 seconds. To turn it off, do the same. Just take it off the dock and press and hold on the power button for 3 seconds. Let me show you that. Now it's on, since it's on the dock. When it's on the dock, it's always on. Then when I take it off the base, I can press and hold on the power button. Then it will play the music and the light will not be blinking anymore. And to power it on, place it on the dock, or instead of that, just press and hold on the power button. After 3 seconds it will start blinking. And the robot is ready. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.